How to animate on click in Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick animation tutorial video on how you can animate on click in Canva. To get started, open any web browser and at the search bar type canva.com. Once you reach the homepage of the Canva, here choose Create Design option from the top right corner and choose the Presentation option. You will reach to this page. You can add shapes by clicking on the Elements option on the left hand side and selecting shapes you want. Once added, you can adjust and duplicate them as needed. Now from the first page, remove any shapes you don't want to add by clicking on them and pressing the delete option. Then add your desired image by clicking on the upload button at the left sidebar and selecting the image you want to add. Repeat this process in all the pages. Once you are satisfied, now to animation on the images, click on the element you want to animate, then click on the animate option in the top toolbar. You can choose from various animations here and customize it as per your liking. Repeat this step for each element you want to animate. Now to view the animation, click on the present option at the top right corner, then click on present below. This will give you a preview of your animated presentation. Click here to view the animation on click. So by following these steps, you can easily animate or click in Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.